Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and this is my PM recap of gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video and in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, gold made what looks like a perfect five-wave trend right here. One, two, three, expanding flat wave four, then nice wave five. Now, like I was saying this morning, just because you see five waves definitely doesn't mean that a trend is over. And the fact that we're in an uptrend on literally every time frame from the monthly time frame down means that I wouldn't really recommend looking for shorts, even though it was a pretty decent short today. I personally would be more focused on going long. But the fact that it made five waves up tells me that there could be a wave A. Got your Fibonacci retracement on the push down. If you do get a good fib bounce, it might go down and make a wave C, which would most likely be hold on one second, be an A, a B, and a C correction to the whole last five waves up. The reason why I personally wouldn't recommend trying to catch this sword is because honestly, it may not even end up playing out like this. When you're in an uptrend on literally every single higher time frame, it's actually sometimes more likely that it will just keep on going up. Just because we see five waves definitely does not mean that this trend is over. So yeah, it's kind of up to you whether you want to try to catch the short, keep an eye on your fib levels. Otherwise, definitely focus on long opportunities still. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.